Hello, it's Monday, which means it's pre-test day. So this week we are on week 7 of our spelling. And so if you want to write the week up in the corner, you can. It is, let me make this so you can see it, week 7. You'll put the date right here and your name right here. So this week we aren't going to cross out this middle column because this week we are doing phonetic skill 1 and 2 with a prefix and suffix. So you're actually going to use that column this week. So you'll write the regular version and then you'll write it with the prefix or suffix. So right here on number 1, write and mark the word hum. I like to hum when I am doing my work. Hum. And the word that you're going to write right here with the suffix is humming. She was humming when she walked down the hall. Humming. Okay, number 2 that you'll write right here is fix. I will fix you a sandwich for lunch. Fix. And with the suffix, it goes right next to it, and that word is fixed. I fixed you a sandwich for lunch. Fixed. If I'm going too fast or you need to listen again, just back up and you can listen again, or you can pause the video at any time. Okay, number 3 right here is film. I like to film my class during the operetta. Film. And the word with the suffix is filmed. I filmed my class during the operetta. Filmed. Number 4 is blend. We had to blend together the letters. Blend. And the next one is blended. We blended together the letters as we was reading. Blended. Number 5 is soft. Soft. The pillow was nice and soft. Soft. And the word for with the suffix is softest. It was the softest pillow I've ever felt. Softest. So you should have 5 regular words with the markings for phonetic skill 1 and 2, and 5 words with the prefixes and suffixes with the special marking that you do for suffixes. This part right here is where I'll write any corrections for any words that you get wrong, so you don't need to worry about that part. Okay, let's write our sentence right here. Okay, the first sentence, or the only sentence that I want you to write is, they planted crops and dumped water on them. Listen closely. They planted crops and dumped water on them. I'm going to say it one more time. They planted crops and dumped water on them. Okay, I want you to practice our heart words for this week. So turn your page over and I'm going to give you the 5 heart words. So my screen will still show the front of the page, but you're writing on the back of the page and I want you to write the 5 heart words. The first heart word I want you to write is should. Should we go to lunch early? Should. And make sure you heart the part of the word that's irregular. Should. Okay, the next heart word you're writing on the back of your page is could. Could you try your best on this pretest? Could. And your next heart word that I want you to write is would. Would you do your very best? Would. Okay, our next heart word that's on our test this week is some. Some of us will do very well, some, and done. When you are done, make sure your name is on your paper. Done. So you should have 5 skill words and then 5 words with prefixes or suffix, 1 sentence, and then 5 heart words on the back of your sheet. Good luck with your pretest.